If you're ready for pirate fun and adventure, let me hear a loud pirate cheer!
And if you're ready to meet your pirate entertainment crew, give me an R! Well, on my list, this pirate is a sucker for punishment. Give it up for Wolf Big Legs!
Here's an old pirate saying, if the seas are getting rough, it's because of Sea Witch Star!
And I can't do this thing alone! He's more vile than a crocodile! Give it up for Disgusting Gus!
Whale, look at what the tide right did! It's Harpoon Hannah!
Alright, all my swashbucklers and buccaneers, we want to see you party like the rowdy pirates that ye be! So you've got to give it everything you got! Take one hand, put it up in the air, and get ready to jump it out! Let's do this! Two hands!
Listen up, you scallywags. It's 10 minutes to the Pirates of the Caribbean deck party. Arr!
10 minutes till the party starts! I thought the party had already started!
10 minutes is more than enough time to meet these landlubbers some sick fire food. What I need from you all now is take those hands, raise them up high in the sky, and we're gonna rock it over to the port side, and back to the starboard side. Then take it back to the port side, and back to the starboard side. It's so easy, even that guy can do it. Ready, hands up, let's rock the ship.
Wow, they got it! I don't know what it is, but they got it. They're doing so well, I bet they could even go double time!
That was good. Hey, Disgusting Gus, I thought I saw some stars over on the starboard side. Why don't you go check them out?
Time for me to go stargazing!
In the meantime, I've seen you dance. Now I want to see you work. I'm going to teach you a pirate's favorite chore. It's called raising the sails. You put your hands out in front like so, and you hoist those sails up high. And when a pirate says raise the sails, you respond with a yo-ho. Raise the sails. Not bad. What do you think, Disgusting Gus? Gus?
I'll be right here with a bunch of pirates on New Jersey, and we're gonna raise the pirate roof!
Hey, that's pretty good. Everybody raise the sail. I'm going to find a pirate family of my own.
Alright, I wanna see who here can be the loudest. We'll start with you port side, why not? Everybody say R! Pretty loud. How about you starboard side? Say aye, Captain! And everybody in the middle, hit me with an ahoy there! That was pretty close. Which one do you think won? Hannah? Harpoon Hannah. Always late. Where are you, Hannah?
Oh, I'm over here with the Delcio family, and we're doing the pirate sprinkler.
Good move, Hannah. Let's come back here. I've been missing you. As for the rest of the squads, we're gonna do a dance move together. Everybody ready? We're gonna start with a grapevine. We're gonna swim all the way for the port side. Clap our hands and come back. Then we're gonna go in a whirlpool. And clap our hands. Go back. Clap again. Then we're going to raise the sails. Clap and go back. And we finish with 4 big pirate punches. Hannah, you made it just in time. Let's go!
Disney Magic, if you're feeling good, give me an R!
What? No, come on, you can do so much better. Really, from your gut, say R!
5 minutes to the Pirates in the Caribbean deck party. Prepare yourselves.
We gotta kick this thing into high gear. Everybody wave and clap. And clap your hands. Now wave. And clap it out. Uh-oh, pirates. Watch out for the whirlpool. Say hi to Grandma. Say hi to Mom. Wave and clap it out. Whirlpool, whirlpool. Now raise the sails, you scallywags! Excuse me, I said raise the sails and I didn't hear a yo-ho. Raise the sails! Very nice. Let's wave and clap it out. Whirlpool. Hey, Gus, did you see that cool thing dancing away? Why don't you go take a dip?
Aye, aye, Captain.
In the meantime, I'm gonna teach you all a pirate jig. Girls, get ready to hoist those skirts. This one's simple. It goes like this. You dip, you dip, you dip, and you nod. Tip, tap, tap, and nod. Then you rock it to the port side and back to the starboard. You do some pirate punches in each corner. Some more vicious pirate punches. Then you clap it out. You scallywags, you can do that for me. All right, join me. Nice jigging, everybody. Hey, Gus, where'd you go this time?
I'll be right here with a bunch of rowdy pirates. We are going to make some noise. Let's go! Arr, 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 arr,
That
arr.
was pretty good. Let's get back here. Everybody out, dance along.
Wow. Oh my goodness. It was really hot in here, and it's not much better up here as well.
You're right, I'm sweating up a storm. If only there was some way to cool down.
Yeah, but I think, how can we cool things down? Oh, I'm getting an idea. How about a wave?
Great idea. Hi, Mom.
No, Hannah, you silly pirate, not that kind of wave. Follow me, I'll show you. I mean a tidal wave. From the port side to the starboard side. So everybody, show me your hands. We're gonna do the wave in 3, 2, 1, go!
That was pretty good, but I think we can do another just as well. Get it? Heads out front. We're gonna see the back to the port side. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Alrighty, pirates. Now we're gonna sing the wave from the back to the back of the ship. Everybody get ready? Let's go! Ha! It's not yours to keep, pirates. Bring it back, bring it back. Whoa, not like that! Wait a minute, what happened to the music?
And who turned out the lights?
And who even is that?
No worries, mateys. It's me, your old pirate pal, Mickey Mouse. Our Pirates in the Caribbean party is about to start, and I just wanted to tell you that no matter what happens tonight, I'm on your side.
Disney Magic, if you're ready to party like a pirate, let me hear you say R!
Then please give it up for the first lady of the Disney Magic, Miss Minnie Mouse.
Hello! Hello, everybody!
Let your cheers rock the seas for the Pirate Cafe!
It's ransom time!
And they reached it. Meet the hard-working crew. It's Chip and Dale.
Ahoy, mateys! Are you ready for a party?
We sure are! And don't forget, it's your party too! Yahoo!
All right, everyone, you know what to do.
Come on, everybody! Dance!
That means you! That's it! Come on! You can do it! Here we go! Raise the sail!
Hey, Minnie, are you ready to party?
Oh, me? Why, yes I am!
No way, we're ready too!
These are some of my favorite songs!
Minnie Mouse, you must know we love these songs too!
That's me! Come on, everybody, dance along!
Always dancing. Why do you like to dance so much?
What? 'Cause I'm a dancing machine!
Disney Magic, who out there is celebrating a birthday this room?
Any lovebirds celebrating an anniversary?
Ooh, Minnie, you like this one? Who's on their very first Disney cruise?
Now make some noise if you've sailed with us before! Well, whether it's your first or your 50th cruise, thank you so much for coming to party with us on Pirate Night. And now, let's dance!
This one makes me dance like crazy!
Well, of course it does. When you cannot dance alone, Minnie, will you be my partner?
Hey, I choose
Everybody clap your hands.
This is gonna be fun.
And sure is true. And we want to see you all dancing too.
Now, Goofy, I heard you have the craziest dance moves this side of St. Kitts and Antigua. So how about you show us one or two? Please?
Gosh, okay, hit it.
Goofy's doing some kind of hoedown. Let's join it. Now, Goofy, we know pirates. We're all booty. Let's see who's taking yours. Yeah, that's perfect. Now let's do-si-do. Goofy's got the groove now. Let's go.
This it, that ice cold Michelle fight for that white gold. This one for them hood girls, them good girls, straight masterpieces. Silent, wildin', living it up in the city. Got Chuck's on with Saint Laurent, gotta kiss myself, I'm so pretty. I'm too hot, hot baby. For the police and the fireman, I'm too hot.
Hot dog.
Like a dragon, wanna retire, man, I'm too hot.
Oh, yeah.
Say my name, you know who I am, I'm too hot.
They are.
I'm a band about that, but break it down. Gosh, this is getting kind of fast. Don't believe it, just watch it. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. I said uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up.
That was great, Goofy! Hey, Chip, do you hear that? I sure do! That's our kind of music! Let's go! We gotta get dancing! Here we go! Come on, everybody!
Let's get it.
This is one of your favorites, right? No one say cool.
Look at you go!
Everybody is back to clap your hands for me and Chip and Dale tune. Show me how you clap.
I love this song, but you know what?
Oh, and dance off, and now we're prepared to find.
Okay, let's learn the moves. Start by waving your hand.
See you walking around like it's a funeral.
And then you're gonna go ahead and clap it out.
Look at that, pirate. Now we're gonna go crazy like this. Forward and backwards. Go crazy! Excuse me, Chips. We were giving it our heart and soul over here.
Excuse me, Dale. The courtside played. I think it's time for a rematch.
Alright, but we're gonna win again, Hannah.
Whatever. All right, courtside, get ready to sweep the floor with the starboard side. Let's do this. Now play. Go crazy.
Alright, Pirate Side. It's Pirate time! Go crazy! No, crazy.
Not again.
Dead men tell no tale.
Yeah, that's not scary at all. I'm not scared. No,
It must be Mickey again playing a trick.
I'm sure.
No, it's not that lily-livered landlubber. 'Tis I, Captain Hook. Me crew and I are commandeering your little party. 'Tis high time you learned our bloodthirsty crew really celebrates. Right, you swans?
Oh, Mickey won't let you get away with this. You party poopers!
Hold on to your peg legs. It's time to get this party rockin', cat and moose style.
Let's do this. Hey, this be mutiny.
I be good looking Billy. You call this a pirate party? Ha! A real pirate needs a raw. So, do we have any pirates here? Let us show you how to really rock this ship. Hey! All you real pirates, bang your heads. Are you ready? Everybody rock! had since the rum.
Hi, thank you. All right, everyone, we're gonna rock it out together now.
You heard her. Let's all dance together. Here we go. Hyper Rainbow. Raise the roof. All right, pirates from the top. What is this outrage? Hannah! Sweet! What this celebration really needs is a great book. And now in your hands, one.
Oh dear, Dr. Hook has summoned the final countdown.
We need some sickening pirates who can rock the ship. Captain Hook style.
And here they be, and the motley crew they are.
Oh, David! Do you not know how to ears is high? Show us what you got! Dance, fools! Dance! Enough! And you call yourself a pirate? Ah! Oh no! Everybody look! Captain Hook and Mr. P are taking over our crew! What are we gonna do?
Go on! Mickey won't let you get away with this!
I think Minnie's right. We need someone to bail us out now. But I'm drawing a plan.
Minnie was right. Mickey won't let us get away with it. We need a call for Mickey.
That's a great idea. Everybody help us call Mickey. Let's go! Mickey! 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 Louder! Captain Hook! Look! It's Mickey Mouse!
But now, let a hero show you how it's really done. Well, folks, I promised you a party, so here's a party in the sky. Look!
wonderful time.
Oh, look at this, Minnie.
Oh, my!
Pretty swell footwork, huh?
Farewell, Revelons! See you later! You boys, worries!
Hey, what's my button now? Oh, great! Yes, sir! Bye-bye! Gotta run! Remember, we love you!
Ah, geez, that was fun. See you later, everybody. Keep on dancing.
Everybody give it up for Mickey and his pirate crew!
Disney Magic, if you had some fun tonight.